Wheeler bus to Mount Fuji, everything you need to know. We bought our bus ticket in advance via their website. We'll be including the link in the description box below. So first thing that you need to do is to click guest and register as a new member. Then just input your details to accomplish, then log in. After this, go back to the main page, scroll down until you see the highway bus seat availability, then input your destination. So for us, we will be coming from Tokyo, then going to Mount Fuji. So we inputted Yamanashi. Pick your departure date, then click search. For this one, the list is in departure time early order. So when you scroll down, there are many options on where you can depart from in Tokyo and their corresponding time schedule. You can choose Shibuya Station, Prince Hotel, Ikebukuro Station, Shinjuku, Tokyo Station. So technically anywhere your hotel is near, you may choose that boarding place. For us, this is what we did. We boarded in Tokyo Station Yaesu South Exit and alighted in Fuji-Q Highland Bus Terminal. So the nearest boarding place from our first hotel, which is Remrapongi, is Tokyo Station Yaesu South Exit. Then our next hotel in Fuji is Highland Resort Hotel and Spa. So the nearest alighting place is Fuji-Q Highland Bus Terminal. Then just input number of passengers. So for us, 1 male and 3 females. Then click go to select a plan. As you can see here, the fee is 2,200 Japanese yen per head for adults, but prices vary by departure point and season, ranging from 1,600 to 3,400 yen. So after you confirm the details here, and go to purchase. So here, select representative passenger. This will automatically input your details from registration, and there's no need to include details of other passengers. For this one, seat selection is not selectable, but system will always place you parallel to each other if 4 persons and beside each other if 2 persons. For the payment method, you may opt the following, but we used credit card on our payment. Just input your card details. Once you click the new credit card, then you're done. Another option for purchasing a round-trip ticket is to get to your cart, then just click make an additional reservation for the bus, and it automatically provides options vice versa. So here, from Yamanashi to Tokyo. It's just the same process. Pick your preferred boarding place and alighting place. For this, we personally picked arrival time, late order in the filter, and again, below are the possible places you may choose. So for us, since we will be coming from the same hotel, Highland Hotel Resort and Spa, still boarding at Fuji-Q Highland Bus Terminal. In Tokyo, our next hotel is Sardonyx Hotel, so we chose Akihabara Station. After checking all the details, both booking may be purchased together. Just follow the same process as showed and mentioned earlier. Once done, they will send you an email like this as confirmation of your booking, and they will also be sending an email reminder days before your scheduled trip. Also, please take note, only 1 luggage per person is allowed in the bus compartment. If you have more than 1 luggage, you have to put it in front of your seat, just like in Skyliner. Hope this helped, and for more travel tips, like and subscribe.